Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best multimeters you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many multimeters and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each multimeters so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a multimeter. First, check the measurement range and accuracy because you need a device that covers voltage, current, and resistance with precise readings. Second, look at the display quality. A clear, backlit screen helps you read measurements easily in different lighting conditions. Third, safety ratings are crucial, especially if you work with high voltage or industrial circuits. Fourth, consider build quality and durability so the meter can handle daily use. Fifth, extra features like auto-ranging, data hold, or continuity buzzer make testing faster and easier. Lastly, think about brand reputation and warranty since reliable brands often ensure better performance and support. By keeping these points in mind, you can choose a multimeter that fits your needs perfectly. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.